Hey guys, I'm going to do a little quick how to install of a Walbro 255. Got this off of eBay. It came straight from Walbro. They're located in Florida, as you can see. Not an eBay part, legit seller. Comes with the pump, filter, the little piece to lock it in the bottom, a replacement hose, wire, a little mesh cover, and then the little guard for the bottom, rubber guard. Also guys, remember, before you do this, make sure that you do this in a well ventilated area. So I got my garage door open and I have a fan here, so don't be stupid. Well ventilated area, make sure the battery is unplugged and everything. Also, I have a 10-pound extinguisher here. I also have a 5-pound in my car, so better safe than sorry. $35 at Lowe's. So the back of the S chassis, there's 4 10mm bolts. You pull this cover off. You want to unplug unplug the pump, disconnect the battery, obviously, and then there are 8mm bolts all the way around. And you want to get these 2 clamps with a flat head, and then pull the unit out, and then you should be able to take a look at your old one. All right, I'm going to take these fuel lines off. If I had a can of WD-40, this would be a lot easier. There we go. There we go. A little bit of fuel. Need to grab a rag. Here comes the really stinky part. I only have half a gallon, or I only have half a tank. So this pump is pretty old. I'm not entirely sure how old it is. It's like 6 or 7 years old. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out. I'm gonna hold on to this one as kind of like a backup just in case, but yeah, let's start unclipping this thing. There we go. I think I got that on camera. There we go. Off the unit. As you can see here, these are pretty much identical. Well, they are identical. I mean, this one's probably from like 2012, 2013. I don't remember exactly when I put this in. But yeah, you could take a look at the screen. Big difference. Not entirely sure if that's clogged per se, but it's aged. So right now I'm gonna cut this hose to length and then try to get this slipped on there. I might need a little bit of lube. Oh, okay. I didn't know that was there. just about. Now the next big question is, do I use one or the other? Because this one's specific for a Nissan. This one, shit. Okay, just kind of taking a look at these two. In the sanding unit. I'm gonna have to use this little grommet. So I already put the filter on and the little clamp is there, so I'm just gonna have to cut this off. So this hose, I put a little bit of oil in there just to lube up the end. Now I need to get this grommet set in place. Get the hose onto there. Damn, that's really stiff. Hold on a second. There we go. Grommet on the bottom, like so. Make sure that's nice and snug. Plug the harness in. There we go. So at this point, everything should be good. Actually, I forgot to throw on a zip tie, so I'm going to zip tie this on. I don't know why I did that before, but peace of mind. And then I'm going to start assembling everything else. Also, I have no idea where that came from, but I'm going to fish that out right now. Unit. Also, something to note, this O-ring you can buy from Nissan. It's really important. If you ever end up doing this, I'd recommend buying a new one, just in case you accidentally rip it. Okay, at this point, getting these fuel lines are kind of a pain in the ass to get on, in my opinion. I don't know any other trick to doing this besides just struggling. There we go. Got one on. I gotta find the other one. Where'd the other one go? It's like tucked back here somewhere. There it is. Okay, so now that I have this all assembled, I'm going to plug the harness back in, plug the battery back in and just do like a little test to make sure that this will work. Okay, I hear the pump going. Thing's pretty loud. It's way louder than the last one. Hell yeah, cool. Slap this bad boy on and we're good to go. Time to go for a cruise. For a spin around the block. Part of the reason why I'm replacing this Walbro is because my tuner was concerned that the old sending unit may have been starting to go out. This thing, the AFRs were leaning out quite a bit when we were messing with them. All right, so far so good, guys. I've been driving around town and the new fuel pump is doing good.